welcome back to RC Workshop, guys. Check it out today. We are out with the TRAXXAS MAXX truck in the snow. We've got a bit of snow on the ground. Gonna try and rip this thing round, get some footage stitched on there for you guys to see. Hopefully get some good slow-mos. Let's check it out, see what it can do. Woohoo! So for this video today, got my trusty printed 3D thumb grip for my one-handed recording. Let's go. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Donut! Them Badlands really do grip to the snow nicely. We've collected some snow under there. What's going on? Look at that. Let's get rid of that. No. TRAXXAS MAXX Snow Angel. We're just connecting ice and snow. What's going on there? Look at that. Already. That is heavy now. Oh yeah. Right, what I want to try and do is get some nice drifting footage going on. Nice fresh coated snow. Let's try and make some loops in it. Ready, let's go. Not that small. Yeah. That is cool. Get a nice little flyby if I can get this thing moving. One good thing this is for is collecting snow off your drive, that's for sure. It's not a fan of being in that thick powder. It is a donut machine today. Let's see how much snow we can collect before it stops. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, it stopped, there you go. Can we get out? Stuck on its own. Oh man. That's where it likes to be, out the snow. What I'm thinking is if I can get a wheelie on this snowless tarmac there and try and wheelie across the snow. Let's give it a go. Can't get that traction in the snow to get a front end up. Let's try. 3, 2, 1. No. But it has gone. There you go then guys, so on here, small edit today of the Maxx truck. This car park is literally just killing the batteries and the speed control off. It's literally just flooring it. I need to take it somewhere where I can build some jumps and things like that. But anyway, it's been a good little snow day. Please rate, comment and subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. See ya!